So firstly, we'll log on to the Flex platform. All right. And once we're here, we move over to bulk airtime. Now, the first thing we're going to do is to download the sample Excel template sheets. And this is done. After this, we'll preview and then enter the details of every recipient that we want to provide airtime for. In this particular transaction, I have 30 recipients, right? And then I'll remove one, make it 29. Go back to Flex and easily upload the same Excel sheets which I just edited. And just like magic, the system populates with every single recipient that I have provided within that Excel sheet. As you can see, you can check. Yes, we can see we have 29,000 for 29 recipients and 8,000 naira each. Now, from this, the next stage would be to preview this information. The system then tells me the total amount of airtime that I'm actually purchasing, the total recipients, and gives me every information that I need to cross-check and ensure that this particular transaction is free from errors. When I've checked all, I'll tick to confirm that I have actually checked every information and click on confirm. At this stage, the system now tells me to authenticate my transaction with my transaction PIN. And I go one, and voila, just like that, I have sent airtime transaction to 29 people all at once and all under 2 minutes.